Hey, Brenna, are you in your boat? Can you say boat? No. Can you say boat? Uh-oh. Sit down. You want to go for a boat ride? You want to go for a boat ride? Sit down. Sit down. We'll go for a boat ride. Ready? Whee! No, you want to go for a boat ride? What you doing? What you doing in there? I just changed your diaper. I just changed it. It's all clean. Oh, are you going to get out? Can you do it? What's that doggy doing? Do you need Daddy to help you? Say, Daddy, help. Say, help. Tell Daddy, say, help. Oh, look at you. Uh-oh. Daddy, there you go, boo-boo. No. You're just going to get right back in? Yeah. Look at you can do it. Oh, maybe not. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Good job. You gonna push your boat around? Where are you taking it? Where are you gonna go? Uh-oh. Boat? How do you get back in there? How do you get back in your boat? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There you go. Mommy hold it for you and you can get in there. There you go. There you go. You take Mommy's hand. There you go. There you go. Ah! Now you're in your boat. Yay! I'm in my boat. Gotta get out of the boat again? Oh my. Oh my. Daddy's helping. There you go. Big girl. Yay! There she goes, taking her boat.